In this video, I'll tell you how you can fix slow download speed on Steam. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, check if Windows is updated and make sure it is not downloading updates in the background. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check if anything is installing or waiting to install. After that, run Command Prompt as administrator. In CMD, type up config, release, and press enter. Then type up config, renew, and press enter again. The last command is config/flush DNS, and you confirm it with enter as well. These commands refresh your network connection and DNS cache, which can help if your connection is acting weird. Next, open Task Manager and close apps that are using a lot of memory or disk resources because they can slow down Steam downloads. After that, open Steam settings and clear the download cache. Keep in mind that Steam may ask you to log in again after clearing it. You should also set your download region to match your real location because choosing the wrong region can hurt download speed. The last step is changing DNS in IPv for settings. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, click your Internet connection, open More Adapter Options, choose Internet Protocol version 4, open Properties, and change the DNS like shown in the video. That's the full fix path. Start with Windows updates and Steam cache first, then try the network commands and DNS change if your downloads are still slower than they should be. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.